Welcome to my channel. So today we are going to see what is the difference between hub and switch. It is a part of computer networks. It will be useful for university exams, government exams as well as gate exams. So let's get started, friends. So what is hub? First, hub is also a networking device and switch is also a networking device. Both are used for connecting multiple devices to a single network. Okay. So, hub is operated at where? So, hub is operated at the physical layer of the OSI reference model. Okay. Before that, I will see there are total 7 layers of the OSI reference model. Okay, first is physical layer, second is data link layer, third is network layer, fourth is transport layer, fifth is session layer, then sixth is presentation layer, and then last one means top layer is application layer. Okay, so you have to remember what are the layers of the OSI reference model and at which layer which device is operating. Okay, so at the first layer, which is physical layer of the OSI reference model, hub is operated. Okay, then switch is operated at the data link layer, and sometimes this basic switch is worked at the data link layer of the OSI reference model, but sometimes in the advanced switch it will also work at the network layer of the OSI reference model. Okay, with the help of network layer switches, it provides the routing protocols. Okay, or routing function is provided with the help of switches if we use advanced switches with the help of network layer of the OSI reference model. Then next is hub and next difference is function. Hub connects various computers to a single network. Okay, and in switch it connects multiple devices, manages ports and VLAN security settings. Means what? It connects multiple devices like hub. Okay, then it manages ports. There are different ports. Okay, with the help of that ports all the devices are connected. Okay, then VLAN security settings. VLAN security setting means LAN means virtual local area network. VLAN means virtual local area network. It will also use virtual local area network. Okay, for the purpose of security. Okay, in the switches. Next is transmission type. Hub simply broadcasts the messages which it gets. Okay, and then switches it also unicasts, multicast and broadcasts the messages or packets. Okay, unicasting means only one sender and only one recipient cannot send the messages to sender. Okay, means there is only one direction communication. Okay, means one sender can send the data to another device. Then what is multicasting? Multicasting means suppose there are 10 devices, okay, connected in the network. So all the devices can communicate with each other. Okay, means 10 devices can share the data with each other. Means they can send the data as well as receive the data at the same time. Okay, this is called multicasting. And what is broadcasting? Broadcasting means there is a central point. Okay, and the devices which are connected to it, they will receive the messages. Okay, means all the devices connected to the broadcast connected to the centralized device or centralized hub, they can get the all the messages. Okay, similarly it will also provide the broadcasting. Okay, I hope you will you have understand the difference between unicasting, multicasting and broadcasting. Okay, so hub is simply broadcast all the messages, okay, to all the connected devices, and switch simply see the routing data. Okay, means MAC address of the intended recipient. Okay, then it will send that data to only one recipient. Okay, this is called unicasting. Then multicasting and broadcasting means it will send all data to all the devices. Then number of ports. in hub there is only 4 ports, okay, means maximum there are only 4 ports, but in switch between 24 to 48 switch hubs sorry ports are there in the switches, okay. Then next is device type. Hub is a passive device and switch is an active device because it provides a routing of the data. Then number of collision domains. There is only one collision domain as we see in the hub lecture, because there is no different collision domain for different devices in the hub, but in switch it depends on number of ports, so each port has its own collision domain, okay. So this is the advantage of switch as compared to hub. Then, and because of this there will be no congestion in there is no more congestion in the switch, and congestion management is proper as compared to hub in the switch, but in switch there is a more problem of congestion. Then speed of the hub is 10 mbps and switch speed is 10 to 100 mbps. Then transmission mode is half duplex in the hub and full duplex in the switches, okay. Half duplex means at the same time only, suppose there are 2 devices, okay, are communicating with the help of hub, then at one time only one device can send the data and another can receive the data, okay. But in switch, if there are 2 devices are connected, then one device is sending the data to another device, okay. At the same time, that another device also send the data to the first device. At the same time, these 2 processes, sending and receiving at both the sides, will happen simultaneously or at the same time in the switches. But in hub, it will not happen because at the one time only one device can send or receive the data, okay. So this is called hub duplex and full duplex. Hub is half duplex and switches use full duplex for transmission. The next is data transmission form. How it is how it will be send the data or transmit the data. Hub basically sends data in the form of electrical signals or bits. Why in electrical signals or bits? Because it is working at the physical layer of the OSI model, and physical layer of the OSI model simply work based on the 0 1s, okay. So it will work on the bits. It divides a message into bits, okay, or in the form of bits, then it will process that message, okay. Therefore data transmission form of hub is bits, and in switch there is a frame and packets. If it is basic switch, then it will use frame at the data link layer, and if it using advanced switch, that is OSI reference model layer 3 network layer, then it will pass the information or process the information in the form of packets. The next is it can function as repeater, okay. So hub is act as a repeater and switches does not act as a repeater. We will see repeater in detail in the next video, okay. I will upload the video related to repeater in details, so I request you to see that video. Then next is hub and switch difference. Number of different types of transmission possible. Only one transmission is possible, and in switch there are 3 transmissions are possible. Then device type. Hub is not an intelligent device. Why? Because it will not use the MAC address or any kind of address of the recipient. It will simply broadcast the messages to all the devices which are connected to it, okay. But switch is an intelligent device. Why? Because it will use the routing data, routing table, it will maintain the routing table and maintain the MAC address information, okay. So it is called an intelligent device, okay. You can say some people say there are 3 types of hub: passive hub, active hub and intelligent hub. So in intelligent hub, it is act as a some traffic management or something, but it's less intelligent as compared to switch or basic switch. The next is what are the uses of the hub and switch. Hub is not widely used nowadays, okay, and switch is widely used nowadays because of its better performance and better functionality as compared to hubs. Then a spanning tree, there is no spanning tree is possible in the hub, and multiple spanning trees are possible in the switch. Then hackable, so hub can be difficult to hack, okay, but switch can be easily hacked, okay. So thank you friends, this is for the day. I hope you enjoy the video, you get what is the difference between the hub and switch. So stay tuned for to my channel, and please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and share these videos with your friends and like my videos, and stay tuned for updated videos. Thank you friends.